If you have cucumbers in your garden, now is the time to save them. Diseases spread faster than you think, and once they're in, there's no going back. That's why today I'm bringing you a recipe for a spray that not only stops the development of the disease, but also strengthens the plant and extends the harvest. This is what real gardeners do when they see the first signs of trouble, but I'll reveal the recipe at the end, so stay with me until the last frame. And while you're watching, in the comments, have your cucumbers started to turn yellow yet? Why is this important? In August and September, cucumbers are particularly susceptible to powdery mildew, downy mildew, and bacterial spot. The days are warm, the nights are cold, and that's the perfect combination for fungal diseases to develop. If you act now, you'll save them and extend the picking season by a few weeks. This is a natural mixture that you can make at home, without chemicals, and it works immediately. Here's what you need: 1 liter of milk, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 3 drops of edible oil, for example sunflower, 4 liters of water. Mix all the ingredients well and pour into the sprayer. Spray the leaves of cucumbers on both sides in the morning or in the evening, never in strong sunlight. Already after 2 treatments, you will notice that the spread of the disease stops and the leaves acquire a healthy, dark green color. Don't wait until your cucumbers are completely withered. Act now. Share this video with your friends who have a garden, because you might save their entire season. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel, because in the next video, I show the trick to make cucumbers bear twice as many fruits without any additional fertilizer.